We got an All-American sitting right here.
Right there. Right there. All-American. Oakley Connor.
Who'd you fish with?
Brandon Pollard.
How was it?
Awesome.
Was it fun?
Oh yeah.
So we're here at the Costa High School National Championship. So I didn't record for the practice days. I didn't record because it was just too much. It was too much to record. The pressure and all that. It was hot too. Friday got canceled because of the rain or something. But so I met up with these guys, Jacob and Oakley, like the glasses. We're gonna go fishing, and we are just walking through Tick Central. Ooh, there it is. An actual pond. Oh, there goes something.
Where? See one?
It's shallow.
Oh, I just had one. Look at it. I just had one. 100% fish.
Or were you hitting the bank? That's
No, there was a fish. He fucking took me and ran with it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, you took my worm.
There he is.
Hey, there's bass.
We got him. There's bass here. Hey. Hey guys, look. How's it look?
It's a hog.
It's a hog.
That's a 10-pounder right there.
10-pounder. Minus
all day.
Minus like minus 9.5.
Minus 9 and like.
It's like half a pound.
That's probably less than a half a pound. Still probably win that tournament though tomorrow. Catch 5 of those, man.
Oh no! Oh, it came off.
Oh, it's muddy.
There's one.
They're up shallow.
We got some
shallow today, boys.
We got some dinks in here.
This is the kind of fish that live in the.
Oh my God, that's a good one.
Oh,
that's a big one. That's a grown. That's a good fish.
Yeah, baby.
Hold up. All right, ready? Ready?
Boom, baby.
There we go.
That's a good one.
There is groanings in here.
That's not a groaning, but
there's groanings in this pond.
We've been catching groanings all day. What am I talking about?
That's a what? That's a
pound and a half.
Maybe.
Say 2 pounds. 2.5 pounds. Let me see.
Nah,
that's
dude.
Not 2.5. What are you smoking?
2 pounds. That's 2 pounds.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
All Americans can't handle this fish. He's gonna flop his way in. No, he's not.
No, he's not. That's scratching his dick.
All right, we letting him go. There we go. That's a keeper.
That's fish.
Dude, these are blackberries.
Take it through the thick of pot.
Mmm.
You eating them?
Yeah,
You
dude.
can't eat those.
Dude, they're blackberries. These bass. Oh, there's one.
You get them?
Yeah.
They're stacked.
There's a school of them.
Ledge fishing at its finest.
Throw over your line.
Yeah, I'll just
Dude, that
it in.
That bass came right up to us when he heard the splash, and he had no idea what. Oh. There's one.
They're on the grass.
He picked me up from the bottom.
We found them, boys. Put down the poles. This is right here. Oh, there you go.
He's got a hog, boys.
Hog. I'm Aaron Martin, the Furious Hog Snatcher. You know he calls himself that.
Furious hog snatcher?
He calls himself that?
Yeah, he calls
Oh, he picked it up while I was moving.
Put on the moving bait, boys.
That's the second best fish.
Huh?
Nah, I'm good. As long as this is working.
We got some structure down there.
Structure.
Oh yeah.
Rocks.
Ledge.
Grass. Stumps on the ledge.
We're doing offshore fishing right now, folks. Casting it out in the middle of the pond. Just got bit. You know, feel me? Gang, gang.
My buddies say this back home. They go, I tried to get my pee-pee touched by a fishy. Oh, God, dude. You ate it on top. Please tell me you got that on video.
Yeah, I did.
Subscribe to Bassin to watch fish catches just like that. Eating worms on top of the water. Yeah, somehow, but like, me and my buddies back home I hang out with all the time, and somehow we all started talking like that.
Get him?
He's running straight towards me. We got another one, boys.
You had the camera on me when I caught that fish.
Yeah, I did.
Awesome.
I mean, I think so.
Like, can you watch it on can you watch it on your phone tonight? I got my phone. No, I don't.
It's 4:15.
4:15.
Time you gotta be back.
Probably by. Be back by 4:30 probably. Be back fuck. Oh, I thought a fish pulled.
There he is.
Oh!
Oh my God, dude!
Dude, that's a good one. Oh!
Dude, that's a big fish!
Oh my God! Dude! Pounder!
Dude!
What did I say? Did I say it?
Let me see. Dude, he shit himself. He shit himself.
Did I not say it?
Oh my God!
Jackson, you want to come out here tonight and throw some
That's a
popcorn?
3.5. That's like a 3.5 pounder.
You said it was like 5.
He looked bigger than that when we jumped. Subscribe to Tribe Bassin.
That's ridiculous. Dude, that's a 4. That's close to a 4.
Is he?
That's real close to a 4.
Okay, we'll call it a 4-pounder then.
We'll call it
Who's got a scale? You got a scale?
No, you do. On the boat.
I don't know. He's probably 3 1/4 or
Okay.
3.75. Nah. I left my bag in mine.
I got cross.
That's a better one.
That's a good one.
No, it's not.
He was pulling drag.
He was.
Rub
That's
on
the fish
that
I've caught today.
So I'm back in Delaware from Tennessee. It was really fun. Meeting these guys definitely was probably the best part of this whole trip. Me and Jacob and Oakley. So definitely look forward to seeing them in the future because I might go down to South Carolina during Thanksgiving and I'll try to get together with them and make another videos with them. I mean, this whole trip was a great experience. I learned a lot on Tennessee. We did okay during the tournament. We got 114th place out of 230 boats. Better than we did last year. I'm hoping to go there next year and do better again. So thanks for watching. Yeah, peace out.